We're based in the Northwest, and we do all sorts of flooring. We try to specialize in taking care of the needs of all customers for the beginning of their remodel. Quite often it starts with the floor covering, and we come in somewhere in the middle of the project and try and make their dreams come true, understanding that customers often plan and save for what we do in their home for years in advance, and we do our best to meet their expectations daily. Since we've been using MeasureSquare, I haven't found too many challenges, and it really is a simple program to use and understand. Well, the process has become easier because once a measure leaves a house, if it's done correctly, along with photos being attached, there's rarely any questions that come from the people that close the sales in the office. MeasureSquare has always been very helpful whenever we have called and asked questions. It's just whether or not I can interpret what they're actually saying, which typically is usually quite simple. And user error is something that you try to eliminate as you get to know and understand the options within the product itself.